Here's how to delete your BIM account in 2026, even though the option is no longer available in settings. If you've been trying to remove your BIM account and couldn't find the delete option, this is the method that actually works. First, open the BIM app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, scroll all the way down and select Contact Us. This will redirect you to the BIM AI support chat. Now, type account deletion or I want to delete my account and send the message. After that, BIM will provide you with an email address. Copy that email address, then open your Gmail or any email app you use, create a new message, and simply request account deletion. Once you send that email, your request will be processed. And that's currently the easiest way to delete your BIM account. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. See you in the next video.